Let's break down one of the most important tools in Microsoft's security toolbox, Microsoft Entra ID, formerly known as Azure Active Directory. At its core, Microsoft Entra ID is a cloud identity service. That means it helps organizations manage who people are, what they have access to, and how they prove their identity, all across apps, devices, and platforms. Think of it like securing a digital passport system. Every employee, app, or device gets an identity, and Microsoft Entra ID makes sure those identities are verified and only allowed to go where they're supposed to be. One of the biggest features in single sign on, or for short SSO, instead of logging into each app separately, emails, Teams, SharePoint, HR systems, users log in once and get access seamlessly to all provided and approved applications and services. It's convenient for users and secure for admins because they can enforce one strong set of credentials and MFA across the board. Next is identity security. Microsoft Entra doesn't just check usernames and passwords, it uses smart layer verification. This includes multi-factor authentication, sign and risk analysis, and conditional access rules. So even if a password gets stolen, attackers still get blocked. It's like having a digital security guard who never sleeps. And if you ever heard of Azure AD before, you're in the right place. Microsoft recently rebranded Azure Active Directory to Microsoft Entra ID as a part of its bigger push towards unified identity and access services. If you see Azure AD on older exam guides or job listings, just know that they're talking about Entra ID. Why does this matter and why should you care? Identity is at the heart of cloud security, and if you can explain and manage tools like Microsoft Entra ID, you're already ahead of the support roles, security analyst jobs, and cloud admin paths. And for the SC900 exam, this is one of the most heavily tested topics. So remember, one login, secure access, smarter protection, all through Microsoft Entra ID.